We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 3. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patience. Then genius color. So we will discuss this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward a whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 17, it's quite big one, okay, 24, 25, 29, we have 29 question in today assignment. So in today video we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. Here is project descriptions. You work as a nurse in health clinic. You record each patient's statistic and district blood pressure each week. A number of patients have requested blood pressure data and charts. This information helps patients how if they have hypertension caused by high blood pressure. You prepared a spreadsheet that can be used as a template to track a patient's blood pressure and heart rate. You are ready to create a charts that you can use when discussing a patient's blood pressure. Okay, that was simply instruction about our today project. The name of project is Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patients. So now we are moving to our graded part. As we saw earlier that our grade we have 29 points in graded part. Okay, so steps to perform, instructions. Then here's first part, start Excel and download and open the file XP Excel chapter 3 cumulative patients. Graded has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. This file we have already downloaded from Pearson. Okay, we call that solution file. It is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. Now we are moving toward the next part. Weekly blood pressure readings have been entered for a simple patients. You want to create a clustered column chart to compare the readings for a month. After you create the chart, you will move it to chart sheet that will be used to contain several charts for easy reference. Okay, that was simply instruction about question number 2. Here is main part of question number 2. We have to create a cluster column chart using the range A2 to C7. Where is A2? A2 to C7. We have to use this range to create clustered column chart. So recommended chart. There is clustered column chart. Then Now we have to create cluster column chart on April worksheet. Yes, then what we have to do next? Now move the chart to cell E1 of charts worksheet. Okay, now we have to move this chart. Select this one, then there is move option. Move this chart, and from here we have to use a chart sheet. Okay, and move this to A1. Okay, so question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to create a clustered column chart using the range A2 to C7 on April worksheet. After creating that chart on April worksheet, then we have to move that chart to cell E1 of a chart sheet. After solving question number 2, we get 2 marks. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 3. The charts need a descriptive, easy to read title. The chart need to descriptive, easy to read. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April, and then bold the title. Okay, so first we have to copy this one from here. Come on, here is chart title. Select this one, control E, then control V. Okay, then again select control E, then we have to make that bold, and here is bold option. Okay, so question number 3 is done, and we have earned 3 marks from here. In question number 3, we just change the chart title to blood pressure or readings in April, and then bold the title. Okay, so question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. You realize the chart might be easier to read as bar chart. Okay, so change the chart type to clustered bar. Now we have to change this chart type to clustered bar. Select this chart, and then move toward chart design, and there is chart type. Okay, change chart type to clustered bar chart. Okay, bar chart, and there is clustered bar chart. Done. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we have earned 4 marks. In question number 4, we just change the chart type to clustered bar chart. We have done that one. Now we are moving toward question number 5. You will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on a display screen. So for that we have to set the height of chart to 4 inches. We have to change the chart height to 4 inches. Select this chart, then there is format option, click on there. There is height, that is already 3, so we have to make that 4, then press enter. Okay, done. So question number 5 is done, and we have earned 2 marks from there. In question number 5, we have to increase the chart size so it make it easier to read and on display screen. So for that we have to set the height inches to 4 inches. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 6. You want to remove additional dates displayed on category axis. So select the dates on axis and display format axis text main. Okay, where is date? There is date. Then display format axis. Then in axis option category, select text axis to remove extra date from chart. We have to select dates on axis and display format axis text pane in axis option category. Select text axis. This one. Okay. Select text axis to remove extra dates from Georgia. Now you may see extra dates have been removed from the charts. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, after solving question number 6, we have earned 4 marks. So in question number 6, we have to select the dates on axis and display the format axis text pane. Then in the axis option category, select text X to remove the extra dates from the chart. So after solving question number 6, we get this result. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 7. You want to arrange the dates with oldest date at the top. So display the dates in a reverse order on category axis. 4-1 is at the top of vertical axis. Okay, now we have to make that in reverse. Select this one. Then no, yeah, in property. There is an option. Where is an option or reverse option? Yeah, there is category in reverse order. Okay, first we have to select these dates, then format X option open, and then there is category in reverse order. Okay, now you may see 4-1 is on the top. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, you want to arrange the dates with oldest date at the top. So for that we have to display the dates in reverse order on category axis so that 412024 is at the top of vertical axis. We have done and we get answer. Okay. So we have earned 4 marks from there. So question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. Next, you will create a line chart depicting the heart rate reading for a month. This chart will help the patient see trends over time. So, create a line chart using the range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7 on April worksheet. Okay, first we have to move toward April worksheet. There, then we have to select the range A3 to A7. Where is A3? A3 to A7, and then next range is D3 to D7. Hold on control key, then D3 to D7. Then we have to create a line chart. Okay, so select both ranges, then insert these line chart option. Okay, then move the line chart to cell I1 in chart sheet. Okay, so now we have to move this to chart sheet. So select this one. There is move option. Move to chart sheet to I1. Okay, where is I1? There is I1. This one. Okay. So question number 8 is done. In question number 8, we have to create a line chart using the ranges A3 to A7, D3 to D7. First, we have to select both ranges by hold down control key on April worksheet. Then we have to create a line chart. After creating a line chart, then we have to move that line chart to a chart sheet in cell I1. And we have done and we get this result. Okay. And we have earned 4 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 9. You decide to adjust the size of a line chart. Okay, so for that we have to set 3.5 inches height and 5 inches width. Now we have to change this chart height and width. So first we have to select this chart, then there we have to click on format, and here is height. So what is our height? Our height is 3.5 inches. We have to increase to 3.5 inches. Then width is 5 inches. That is already there. Okay, so question number 9 is done, and we have earned 6 marks from there also. So in question number 9, we have to decide to adjust the size of line chart. So for that we have to change the height to 3.5 inches and width to 5 inches, and we have done, and we get the result. So you may see this one. Okay, so question number 9 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 10. Change the line chart title to Horse Raid in April, then bold the title. And after solving this one, we will earn 2 marks. Okay, same way we will solve other parts step by step. You may see it's quite big assignment. Okay, so almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. Remember that we have solved XP Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patience. In short, we just discussed the project description. Then we have solved question number 1, 2. In question number 2, we have to create clustered column chart by using A2 to C3, C7 arrange on April worksheet. Then move that chart to a chart sheet in cell A1. Then in question number 3, we have to work on that chart that we have created on question number 2, where we have to change the chart title to blood pressure readings in April and then bold the title. Then in question number 4, we have to change the chart type to clustered bar. Then in question number 5, we have to set the width to 4 inches. And then in question number 6, we have to select the dates on axis and display the format axis text pane in axis option category. Select text access to remove extra dates. Then same one we have done. Then question number 8, we have to create a line chart using the ranges A3 to A7, D3 to D7 on April worksheet. After creating a line chart, then we have to move that chart to I1 of chart worksheet, and then change the width and height of that chart, and same way we have done question number 10. Okay, so almost half of assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in the bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, and just like grade will be 100%, and file will be ready in next 30 minutes. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses. Just like if you need help regarding mathematics assignment, or if you need help regarding full course, I am available. If you need help regarding English, English writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Result will be 100%. It's my promise and it's my guarantee. Okay. So in today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Patience. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.